ಹಾಯ್ ಸರ್, ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಹನುಮಂತರಾವ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಈಸಿ ಗ್ರೋ ಟೀಮಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಮಿರಾಜಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದೇನೆಂದರೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಮಿರಾಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೋನಿಕಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವ್ರ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವ್ರ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು 2 ತಿಂಗಳಾಯ್ತು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ ನಾವು ಕೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಅದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೋನಿಕಾ ಕುಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಗೈನಕಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸಾಂಗ್ಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ. ನನಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ನಂದು ಒ ಪಿ ಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನೋಡೋದು. 25 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ನಂದು ನಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸದ ಲೋಡ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲ 35-40+ ಇಯರ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 5-6 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್, ದ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. maximum number of OPD patients what I am getting are all teenage girls. Teenage girls ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ with lots of problems which I had not come across 20 years back. So what is happening? I mean, there is something called as ovary in a female reproductive organ. ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ovarian cysts. I mean, practically I operate 2 to 3 ovarian cysts in a week. Less than 20 years age girls who are not even married. And it's such a stressful situation for the parents because it involves a female reproductive organ and there is a disease there. What will happen to my daughter's future? So this is the major concern. With great panic the parents bring their daughters. Then I keep seeing what's happening and what has gone wrong. So if I see, I think only 2 things, probably the lifestyle changes what we have seen and the food habits what we are eating. Even if we try to have to have the best of the quality foods available, it is not there in the market. So where do we bring it, and where does the masses can afford to bring in a very high quality organic product which is in very meager quantity available in the market? So I was thinking probably this is the major cause where lots of hormone changes and happening, and probably the whole genetic restructuring is happening, and it is, I mean, we just cannot help out on that and we have to just face it. And when this thought process was going in my mind, I happened to buy a few acres of land very recently, and the day when I went for my registration, the previous owner was a grand old lady, the owner who was selling. She spoke to me only one sentence, ki I am giving my land to you, please don't use urea in my soil. Was the only sentence she said, and she started crying. That just kept me thinking ki matlab she is really worried that one is she is hurt that her ancestral property and the entire her life she had spent in this land, and she is selling it for whatever reasons, and she still wants the soil to be protected. That was the only thing she asked me, ki please save the soil. Then in the meantime what happened, it was just there, the thought process coming hop in hop off sort of, and I had come across Mr. Channamallikarjun Dambar. He is a IITian. He has his company Aquagrow. So with the help of that, actually I had made my terrace garden where he has actually grown big fruits and all on my terraces, not using pots, directly on my terrace. He had used it, and very innovative ideas and very economic. And then I approached him ki can we do something about it, and then he was already into the innovation as usual. As an IITian, he was going through the hydroponics and all. Then I took interest and we developed this. So what's the best thing what I observed about the Easy Grow and what they were doing? Continuously they were innovative, and they are finding economic solutions and viable solutions economically, because as we all know, organic farming has practically failed in the economic perspective, and we all know that it has even brought down the economy of a whole country like Sri Lanka because they went into organic farming. But then something has to come in between to see that it is viable economically. Then we have a good harvest where the agriculturists also get something out of it, and we maintain our ecosystem. And this sort of innovative ideas Easy Grow was already into. They were trying to bring in an organized, the environment which is under our controlled environmental conditions. This is what they were trying to bring, but then we all know poly houses, shed nets, they're too expensive for any common farmer to pitch in and put it also. The initial investment itself will take, I think, 99 out of 100 away from it. Then he was continuously into it, making creating more ideas, how we can reduce the cost to half and double the crop 4 times. So it was almost a 8-fold benefit for the farmer, and this is there in front of us, where we are growing turmeric in a half-acre land, and we expect almost the crop to go 4 times more than the conventional farming. And one more thing, what I observed about their innovatives is what is the present problem in the agriculture sector. Though we say India is the agriculture nation predominant,
yes.
and we are somehow falling back because of many things. We see now our soil, lots of heavy metals are available in our soil. Even if we take river water that is polluted, so neither are we getting a good quality of water nor the soil content. So both of them have damaged. So what innovations this Easy Grow has done is they have bypassed both of it. They have bypassed the soil and they have created their own organic manure, plus they have bypassed the natural waters. They are directly harvesting and collecting it, and they are using it. So where hardly 10% of water availability is needed there. So I think they bypassed this, and they are and the temperature also. They are controlling everything. So if we see now, right in the afternoon of 1 p.m. we are speaking, and still we can see the lush green leaves around us at this temperature also. So this is a wonderful environment which Easy Grow has created, and I am too eager to see how my first crop is going to come, and I am very positive about it. And this is pure 100% organic farming, where every single day the data is recorded, what has been done, what goes in and everything. So we are hopeful for a great agricultural revolution, I can say, with the help of technology, and great IITian minds like Mr. Channamallikarjun double with us.
ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಂಗತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ತಿಳಿಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಆಸ್ ಎ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಿಜಿ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 12 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ಸು, ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸು, ಯಾವಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್?
No, actually, if I see how do we manage it, Easy Grow has made it so easy. As the present generation, what does it say? It says कि everything at the click of a button. घर बैठे बैठे सब services होना चाहिए. They have come into the automation mode, where sitting at my home also I can just keep pressing buttons, and with the help of these webcams and all, I can see what's happening. Automation, they have brought in automation into it, which makes life so easy. And I think all you need is 1 hour's job in a day is all that is needed. The whole system has been so perfectly made that it hardly takes most of our time to do. We just have to monitor sitting at home. As all the services are coming home now, I think the management also is coming to my home doorstep, where I can sit there and manage everything. So it's really not all thing. You need to have that passion to grow something good, and end of the day we also would love to eat something which is rightful to be eaten. So that is what the society needs. Now people have money, they can, but they don't have the product available of that quality. So somebody has to come in, and I feel we can, people like us who can afford to put in infrastructure like this, we need to take more interest and come and revolutionize the agricultural this thing in India.
Ma'am, how frequently you are coming? Because you are professional, and the suggestion to other professional also, how frequency is required? But
I come once every Sunday.
Every Sunday.
Sunday is my off day. So every Sunday I come 1 hour, I just move around, see what's happening, and rest of the day I think it just takes me 2 minutes update. Sitting at my home, I have a camera, I have this thing, I get all the data, what has been put in and everything. It takes 5 minutes of every day and 1 hour of a week is all I I'm putting in.
ಸೊ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಆಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷ್ನಲ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳೋದೇನೆಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸೊ ವೀಕ್ಲಿ 1 or 2 hours ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಂಡೇ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಫಾರ್ಮು ವಿತ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆವಿ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ ನಾವು ಬೆಳಿಬೋದು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 1 or 2 minutes ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ. ನಾವು ಈಸಿ ಗ್ರೋ ಟೀಮಿಂದ ನಾವು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 1 person ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ನಾವು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಅವ್ರೇನಾದರೂ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 2 hours, ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ 2 hours, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ನಾನು ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ವಿನ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮರ್, ವಿನ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ಸ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಆಲ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ.
Exactly. And even what I say ki when I come here every Sunday, this, you know, the very satisfaction of that I'm growing something great, you know, keeps me energized the entire week in my job. Yes, I am in a service industry, so that also gives me a great satisfaction ki I'm doing something good in the society. But this is something different. It gives, I mean, I really stress buster, you can say. I go back with full refreshed mind and I look forward for the next Sunday.
Okay.
When do I come back?
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಫೈನಲಿ
Yeah.
ಅಬೌಟ್ ಈಸಿ ಗ್ರೋ? Finally about Easy Grow.
About Easy Grow, I mean, I would love to be associated with it for my lifespan, and I would love to see them growing and bringing in more innovative ideas which is economically feasible for more regular farmers or conventional farmers. I come from a farming family. Those people also should, you know, take guts and pitch in. You know, I look forward for Easy Grow to come up with more innovative, sustainable ideas. You know, because as per this thing, I have joined hands with Easy Grow because I see that in them, the passion ki go along with the ecosystem, you know, and improve the existing ecosystem, because they, along with the nature's law, universal law, I think they have synchronized themselves, joining hands with it and taking the way forward. So I would love to be a part of it, and as per this, the whole project has come up. They were very sincere and genuine in their efforts and putting up everything, and well, it was done well in time. They are highly knowledgeable and you know, passionate driven, I can say, as far as organic farming is concerned.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ನಾವು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
Yes, I'm looking forward to
more crops we will bring on this protected cultivation, madam. Thank you, madam.